Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. Let's talk about TV unit today. The last piece of furniture that we think about when we are making our house or getting furniture. We think about sofa, beds, wardrobes, everything, but this is something we think about in the last. But it requires a lot of calculations to get the right TV unit. These days we don't have regular TVs, big bulky ones. We have LEDs, very slim, flat, and they generally go on the wall most of the times. A lot of people also keep the unit on the TV unit itself. And how the calculations work, how the sizes and everything is defined, I'll explain in this video. मैं बात करने जा रहा हूँ टीवी यूनिट के साइजेस, कैसे साइज बनते हैं, कैसे इसका डायमेंशंस लिए आते हैं और कैसे टीवी को इस पर आप सेट कर सकते हैं, क्या ऑप्टिमम हाइट रहेगी अकॉर्डिंगली। पहले बात करते हैं टीवी। जो बॉक्स पर साइज लिखा होता है, लेट्स से योर टीवी इज 65 इंचेस, अगर आपका टीवी 65 इंचेस का है, बॉक्स पर जो साइज मेंशन होता है वो टीवी का डायगोनल साइज होता है। डायगोनल फ्रॉम वन कॉर्नर, लोअर कॉर्नर टू द अदर कॉर्नर ऑन द टॉप, ऐसे या ऐसे जैसे भी लेना चाहें आप, इट्स अ डायगोनल साइज दैट इज मेंशन्ड ऑन द टीवी बॉक्स. What we need is left to right and the height. Generally they are in proportion, but according to the brands there are little changes in the size due to the strip that we have on the both sides. Sometimes that is very thin, sometimes that is broader. So left to right और height. एक 65 इंचेस टीवी की बात करें तो वो अराउंड 50 से 52 इंचेस वाइड होता है नॉर्मली, अराउंड दैट साइज, 4 feet prox, a little more than that. Or height is of around 24 inches or a little more. So anything that is more than 4 feet is good enough. 4 feet के टीवी के लिए 4 feet से बड़ी कोई भी यूनिट फाइन है. स्पेस आपके पास कितना है, that matters. How much space you have in the place. This one is 6 feet, 18 inches wide, and the height is 24 inches. It has got a cabinet and 2 drawers. And the middle box to keep the set-top boxes. Now, if you are placing the TV right on this unit with the stands, 24 inches is a good height. Because if you are sitting right across the TV, you have a sofa there, generally when we sit, our eye level is around 4 feet with a standard normal height person. So 4 feet height, and when you are placing the TV on it, so it's a good height for watching a TV. ठीक हाइट है ये 24 इंचेस की टीवी रखने के लिए. अगर आप वॉल पर टीवी लगा रहे हैं तो थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे कोई इशू नहीं है, लेकिन इससे ऊंची हाइट, इफ यू हैव मोर देन 24 इंचेस, वुड बी अ लिटिल अनकंफर्टेबल. बिकॉज अगर आप इस पे कुछ भी रखते हैं, जनरली व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग द यूनिट विदाउट द टीवी, you have to keep something on this, like you are keeping some bowls, the designer items or anything, so that will come in front of the TV, or you have to increase the height of the TV, but that is not very comfortable. Let's say you have a TV here and you're sitting there, your eye level would be like this, and that is not comfortable. When you are standing or sitting like this and you're looking at something that is at the eye level is very comfortable. TV watching should be comfortable and enjoyable. If you have any sprain on your neck, अगर आप नीचे देख रहे हैं या ऊपर देख रहे हैं, any pressure on the neck, that is not comfortable. So any height more than this is not comfortable height if you have a TV on the wall. Lower height is generally recommended. You can go for 15 inches or 18 inches, and that is a good height. Then you can place the designer items on the top of the TV unit. Designs we have a lot many. This one is going to New Zealand. I've shown you a sofa similar to this design, and similarly this is designed with the curves and everything matching the sofa design. The color, the handle design is everything selected by the client herself, and what she wanted, what size she wanted, we created that. This is all about mostly the size that is required and the calculation is required for a TV unit. Apart from this, the size matters, the left to right, that depends on the space you have. You want a smaller one or a bigger one. Height, I've told you. Front to back, another size aspect. These days we have very slim TVs. So with the stand, it will not cover more than 4 inches or 5 inches area on the unit itself. So when you have 4 to 5 inches area of coverage, rest area is clear. You don't need much space there. So if you want slimmer units, 12 inches, 15 inches, that also works fine. Though इतना बड़ा unit और ज़्यादा lean होगा तो इतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. This is a good size, 18 inches. You can go for 15 also. But bigger sizes are generally not recommended. ज़्यादा broad 20 inches or 24 inches are not recommended क्योंकि इतनी जगह आपको नहीं चाहिए. You are placing a TV here, everything is clear outside, and these sizes आप टीवी के आगे कुछ रख नहीं सकते, साइड में आपको रखना है और ये काफी अच्छा स्पेस है. 18 inches good enough to keep anything, the flower vases or any designer item you want. This is all about the sizes. If you have any question, if you want to know more about, or if you have any feedback, you can call us and you can ask us. We'll be happy to discuss with you. Colors, sizes, the drawer proportions. आपको यहाँ पर साइड में चेंज करना है, पैनल नहीं चाहिए, ड्रॉर्स ही चाहिए या कुछ और डिजाइन चाहिए, you can let us know, we'll make that for you. We deliver all India, we deliver outside India. This is going to New Zealand. So if you want anything outside India, let us know and we will make it and deliver to your place. For more designs, you can check on YouTube. We have a lot of videos, actual stuff on YouTube, or you can go to aarsunwoods.com. You'll find a number of designs there. Any questions, feedback, suggestions, comments, please let us know. We'll be happy to hear from you. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.